Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to send a live snap on Snapchat without uploading any media, no pre-recorded videos, no gallery uploads, just a real-time snap that is sent instantly. So a live snap basically means sending a snap right from your camera and not one saved or edited. So to do it, you need to simply open your Snapchat application. Here you are going to see the camera icon. So you need to tap on this camera icon here that will be available on the main screen. Now once you see the gallery, instead of choosing the picture or the video from your gallery, you just have to simply take a snap live. Then you need to tap once for a photo and hold for a video. Don't add any kind of media from the phone's storage because Snapchat will automatically detect that is a live capture. Now after taking it, you can just still add the stickers, text or filters into it that don't affect its live status. Then you need to simply tap on the option of send to, select the friend or the story, and then you need to simply send it to. Now your snap will appear as live on your chat, showing it was taken and sent instantly and not uploaded from the memory. Now if you try to send an old photo or the video, it will show in the from camera roll, which means that it is not a live snap. So make sure that you always use a camera screen and not the gallery icon when you want it to stay live. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.